Good morning, class 10. Today we will start exercise 25B, okay, as we have already started the chapter probability. So today I am going to solve the question from exercise 25B. So first question is 9 cards identical in all respects. So there are 9 cards, they are same, okay, are numbered 2 to 10. So there are 9 cards and each card is numbered, okay, each card is marked with a number. One card is marked with 2, another 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are total 9 cards. A card is selected from them at random. So whenever a card is selected randomly without looking at it, find the probability that the card selected will be an even number. Okay, so we'll read question afterwards. First we will write here the sample space. So here the sample space is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here are 9 cards and they are marked with different numbers. So NS, number of sample, is 9. Now the first question is from here. If you select a card randomly without looking at card, what is the probability that the card will be an even number? First we will write here even number. What are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You write here. So there are 5 even numbers. 5 cards which are marked with even numbers. Okay, so probability of an even number is, formula is NE by NS. So 5 divided by 9. Number 2 is a multiple of 3. So here the multiples of 3 are 3, 6 and 9. You have to write here 3, 6, 9. There are 3 cards. Okay, so probability is 3 divided by 9. So 1 divided by 3. Next is an even number and a multiple of 3. And means common. Okay, the number, okay, which is even also, and that should be a multiple of 3 also. So here and even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. But among these 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, which one is a multiple of 3? Which are the numbers which are multiple of 3? That is only 6. 6 is an even number which is a multiple of 3. And means common. Okay, you have to find that number which is an even number as well as multiple of 3. So only 6. So only 1. Okay, so probability of even number and a multiple of 3 is NE by NS, 1 divided by 9. Next is an even number or a multiple of 3. Or means everything you have to consider. You have to consider all even numbers as well as multiples of 3 but without repeating. Okay, so the even numbers are 2. Okay, here, okay, the even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Are even numbers and the multiple of 3 are 3, 6 and 9. So 6 is common, so you have to write only once. So even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and the multiples of 3 are 3, 6 and 9. So 6 is already written, so you don't have to write twice. So there are 7 numbers. So 7 divided by 9. Now the next question is number 2. 100 identical cards are numbered from 1 to 100. So we will not write all the numbers, right? 1 to 100. So here are 100 cards. So number of sample is 100. And the cards are well shuffled and then a card is drawn. So a card is drawn randomly. Then what is the probability that a card, whichever is drawn, okay, is a multiple of 5? So here NS is 100. Now the first question is event is multiples of 5. So the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20. No? Like that there are 20 multiples of 5 from 1 to 100 because 5 20s are 100. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Likewise, okay, there are 20 multiples of 5 from 1 to 100. So here it is 20 by 100. Answer is 1 by 5. Next one is multiple of 6. Okay, so if you find the multiples, okay, like you know the table of 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. Okay, 16s are 96. So there are 16 numbers which are multiple of 6 in between 1 and 100. So 16 divided by 100 you can cancel with 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 25s are 100. So answer is 4 by 25. Now number 3 is between 40 and 60. So how many numbers are there between 40 and 60? 40 and 60 you cannot include, okay? Excluding 40 and 60 there are 19 numbers. Between means you cannot consider 40 and 60. So it is 19 by 100 answer. Next one is greater than 85. Greater than 85, 86, 87, 88 till 100 there are 15 numbers. So 15 by 100 you can cancel with 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 0. So answer is 3 by 20. Next is less than 48. So you have to consider till 47. So there are 47 numbers. 47 by 100. Number 3. From 25 identical cards numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 24, 25. Okay, so here all the numbers are not written. One card is drawn at random. Then first we will write sample space 1, 2, 3, 4 till 25. So there are 25 cards. What is the first question? Find the probability that the number on the card drawn is a multiple of 3. So from here, when a card is drawn randomly, what is the probability that the card will be a multiple of 3? So first you write the multiples of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 numbers. So 8 out of 25. NS is 25. Next is event is multiple of 5. So the multiple of 5s are 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So 5. So 5 out of NS is 25. So 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So probability is 1 by 5. Next is event E is multiple of 3 and 5. So you have to find that number which is a multiple of 3 as well as multiple of 5. So the multiple of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. And the multiple of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So which one is common here? And means the number which is a multiple of 3 as well as multiple of 5. So that is only 15. 15 is a number which is multiple of 3 and 5. So only 1. Okay, so only one number is there. So 1 divided by 25. Now next question is multiple of 3 or 5. Or means you have to consider all, everything, okay, but without repeating. You have to write all the multiples of 3, all the multiples of 5. So first I'll write the multiple of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. And the multiple of 5 are 5, 10, 15 is already written here, 20, 25. So there are 12 numbers, 12 out of 25. So this is the probability of drawing a card which is a multiple of 3 or 5. Now the next question is a book contains 85 pages. So there are 85 pages, number of sample 85. A page is chosen at random. So when we choose a page, okay, page randomly without looking at it, what is the probability that the sum of the digits on the page is 8? See, the first page is 1, second page is 2, third page is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 till 85. So whenever you choose a page, okay, what is the probability, what is the chance that that page will be, the number which is written on the page, it should be a sum of 8, okay, sum, if you add those digits, okay, the sum will be 8. So first one is page number 8, second one is 17, because when you add 1 and 7 it will be 8, 2 and 6, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71 and 80. So these are the page number, okay, whose sum of the digit is 8. So here are 9 numbers, 9 pages. So 9 divided by 85. This is your answer. Next is a pair of dice is thrown, means 2 dice are thrown simultaneously at the same time. So when the 2 dice are thrown simultaneously, you know there are 6 faces in a die. No, one die is, its singular is die, okay. So So there are 6 faces in one die, and in another die also there are 6 faces. So probability we have to write. We have to write all the possible outcomes here. Okay. First we will keep one constant. If the first die show 1, okay, the second die may show 1. It can show 2 also, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the possibility when the first die show 1. Okay, the second die will show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we will consider if the first die show 2. If the first die show 2, then the second dice may show 1. It can show 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the possibility when the first die show 2. And the third one is if the first die show 3, then the possibility are the second die may show 1. It can show 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if the first die show 4, then the second die may show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If the first die show 5, then the second die may show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And at last if the first die show 6, then the possibility are second dice may show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in total there are 36. Okay, so the sample space is 36. So here the number of sample is 36. Now the question is, find the probability of getting a sum of 10 or more if 5 appears on the first die. So here the question is, whenever you choose okay, what is the probability that the sum of the digit here, no, it should be 10 or more, but the first die will show 5. Okay, the condition is the number on the first die must be 5. So here the possibility are 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. But here the sum must be 10 or more. So these are the possibility 5, 5 and 5, 6. So these two are event here. So here in event 5, 5, 5, 6, because 5 plus 5 is 10 and 5 plus 6 is 11. So there are 2. Okay. So 2 divided by 36, 1 by 18. Now number 7 is, if 2 coins are tossed once. So if the 2 coins are tossed, we will write the possible outcomes. You know, in coin there are 2 sides, head, tail, head, tail. So the 2 coins are tossed once, okay, simultaneously. Then we will write, if the first coin show head, then the second coin may show head, or it can show tail also. So head, 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 tail. Now the second is, if the first coin show tail, then second coin may show head, or it can show tail also. So the samples are head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. So there are 4. So the first question is, what is the probability of getting 2 heads? What is the probability that both will be head? So we have only one head, 2 heads, head, head, 1 only. So 1 divided by 4. Next one is at least 1 head, means there should be at least 1 head. Okay, head, head, head. So in this 3, okay, head appears. Okay, so these 3 are event here. So 3 out of 4. Number 3 is both heads or both tail. So both heads or both tail. So head, head, tail, tail. Okay, 2. So 2 divided by 4, answer is 1 by 2. Now next is 2 dice are rolled together. So when the 2 dice are rolled, these are the sample space, okay, 36. Find the probability of getting a total of at least 10. So when you add this 2, okay, it should be 10 or more than 10. At least means minimum it should be 10. So you have to find those, okay, pair, okay, which gives you 10 or more than 10. So here, from here we can consider. So the first one is 4, 6, 4, 6, 5, 5, 5, 6. It will give 10, 10, 11, 10, 11, 12. So here are 4, 6, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. So there are 6. So 6 out of 36 is 1 by 6. Now number 2 is a multiple of 2 on one die and an odd number on the other die. So there should be one odd number and another number must be a multiple of 2. Okay. So multiple of 2 are all even numbers only. So this one is the first one, odd number and multiple of 2. Odd number and multiple of 2. Odd number and multiple of 2. Another one is multiple of 2 and odd number. Multiple of 2, odd number. Multiple of 2, odd number. Next, multiple of 2, odd number. Multiple of 2, odd number. Multiple of 2, odd number. Here, multiple of 2, odd number. Multiple of 2, odd number. This one also. Then 5, 2, multiple of 2, odd number. 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 So we have to write all these here. Okay, then you count, there are 18. So 18 divided by 36 is 1 by 2. Now number 10 is a bag contains 16 colored balls. 6 are green, 7 are red and 3 are white. So you write your sample space. There are 6 green balls, 7 red balls and 3 white balls. So total there are 16 balls. So from that, okay, a ball is chosen without looking into the bag. So from the bag, a ball is chosen randomly. Then what is the probability that the ball drawn is a red ball? So here event is red, okay. So red you can find, okay. Red is 7, 7 divided by 16. Not red means green and white you have to consider. Not white means you have to consider green and red. Now from here I will solve, okay. Okay, number 4 I have solved here. Not white means green and red. There are green and red 13 balls. So 13 out of 16. Another one is white or, okay, green or red. Green or red. Again 13. White or green. White or green. Okay, white or green. Green or red or white means you have to consider all the balls. 6, 7, 3, all. So green or red 13 by 16. White or green 9 by 16. And here 16 by 16. 16 by 16, 1. Number 13. 30 identical cards are marked with number 1 to 30. So there are 30 cards and each card is marked with a number. First card 1, second card 2, 3, 4, likewise till 30. If one card is drawn at random, find the probability. Okay, so first sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, ... 30. There are 30 cards. First question is, whenever you choose a card, what is the probability that a card, the number which is written on the card is a multiple of 4 or 6? Or means you have to consider all the multiple of 4, all the multiples of 6 without repeating. So first we will write the multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. And the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. So total there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the probability is 10 divided by 30. 1 upon 3. Next is a multiple of 3 and 5. So you have to write those numbers which are multiple of 3 as well as multiple of 5. And means common. That number must be multiple of 3 and 5. Okay. So the numbers are 15 and 30 only. 15 is a multiple of 3 and 5. 30 is a multiple of 3 and 5. So 2 divided by 30, answer is 1 by 15. Next is a multiple of 3 or 5. Or means you have to write everything, all the numbers, okay. So you have to write all the multiples of 3, all the multiples of 5. So multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, okay, and 30. So there are 14 numbers. 14 out of 30 is 7 out of 15. Number 14. In a single throw of 2 dice, find the probability. So you know when 2 dice are thrown, sample space you have to write. First one is a doublet. Next is a number less than 3 on one dice. Number 4, an odd number as a sum. Number 4, a total of at most 10 means it should not be more than 10. Okay, at most means maximum should be 10. And the last question is an odd number on one dice and a number less than or equal to 4 on the other dice. First you have to write the sample space. There are 36. Doublet means both digit must be same. 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6. These are called doublets. Okay, so there are 6 divided by 36. 1 by 6. Next question is a number less than 3 on each dice. So the both number must be less than 3. Okay, 1 1, 1 2. Okay, 1 1, 1 2, 2 1, 2 2. So there are 4 total. 4 divided by 36. 4 1s are 4, 4 9s are 36. Next is an odd number as a sum. So whenever you add the two numbers, it should be odd. So here when you add even number and odd number, then you will get odd number. Okay, because if you add odd, the sum will be even. If you add even, the sum will be again even. So one number is odd, another should be even. Okay, so 1 2, 1 4, 1 6, 2 1. So these are the numbers which will give you odd number on addition. So there are total 18 such pairs. So 18 by 36, it's 1 by 2. Now the next one is a total of at most 10. Means from here, okay, you have to consider the pair, okay, on addition, okay, on adding the two numbers, it should be less than 10, equal to 10 or less than 10. So now you have to consider those pair, okay. These are the pair, okay, which gives you, whose sum give you 10 or less than 10. At most means it should not be more than 10. Okay, it should be less than 10 or equal to 10. So here are the numbers. There are 33 such numbers divided by 36. We can cancel. 3 11s are 36. 3 12s are 3 11s are 33. 3 12s are 36. 11 by 12. Next is an odd number on one dice and a number less than or equal to 4 on the other dice. So on one side it should be odd and another side it should be less than or equal to 4. So you have to consider the first for 1, okay, 1 1 1 1 1. Then you have to write 1 2 3 4 5. These are, one is odd and another's are less than 4. So here it is odd less than 1, less than 4, odd less than 4, odd less than 4, or you can consider odd less than 4 also, odd equals to 4, odd less than 4. Similarly you have to write this, okay. So there are total 20. So 20 out of 36. So 2 10s are, 2 1s are, 2 8s are, 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are. So answer is 5 divided by 9. So for today this much only, okay. In next class we will continue the same chapter.